All right, language explorers. Let's have a look at today's Sunday prepositions. So, homewards. Homewards. Yes, homewards. Going back home. Yeah. We are going homewards. Yeah. After the mountains, I am heading homewards. Yes, back home. Yeah. When I get to John O'Groats in the northern part of Scotland, I will then head homewards. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Since I know the way, we will go homewards. Homewards. Where else? Homewards. Homeward bound. Homewards. We're going homewards. Yeah. We are homeward bound. That's the way we're heading. Homeward bound. Very good. Yeah. We've been homewards bound for a while. Yeah. They are headed homewards. Homewards with us. How cool is that? Yeah. I am sure we're now heading homewards. We must be heading homewards. The signs are obvious. Just follow the signs, the street signs, and you will head homewards. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Eventually, we will turn around and go homewards. Eventually, we'll turn around and go homewards. Only way to go, really. Heading homewards is the last way to go. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Yeah, homewards. I'm heading homewards to my chalet in the forest. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use homewards in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.